Hey, let me show you how you can easily remove the tempered glass from the display on your smartphone. In this video, I'm using actually the Pixel 7, but it doesn't matter. So first of all, I can recommend you to start from one of the edge. For example, you can actually start from not broken part, so from the upper section of the screen, and let's put our fingernail underneath this glass. So take a look. Do this gently. Try to gently lift that glass like this. When you do this, you can actually find that it is not sticking to the display anymore because there's like air under this tempered glass. And now just move your fingernail into the left edge just to rise this section. Now we can put second finger, for example, into this left and the right corner, and now just simply swipe your fingers to the bottom of this display to don't break this glass. There we go. And as you can see, that's how easily you can remove glass from your smartphone. And right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.